how to add USDT to your MetaMask wallet on the Binance Smart Chain. Head over to CoinMarketCap. I'll leave you a link below this video. And in the search box here, all you need to do is to search USDT. And you want this one at the top here that says Tether USDT. That will bring you to this page. If you scroll down, you'll see here it says contracts. So what we need to do is to click on more, and you'll see the Binance Smart Chain here. Click on this Add to MetaMask, this icon here. So you click on that. That will open up your MetaMask. You'll choose the wallet that you'd like to add it to. So you click next. It will take you to this screen where you can see I've got 25 USDT, and then all you need to do is to click on Add Token. You'll get a little message to say token added, and if you go up to your MetaMask and you're on the token tab, you should see USDT, and it's got a little B next to it to say that you're on the Binance Smart Chain. So that's how easy it is to add Tether to your MetaMask using the Binance Smart Chain. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give me the like. Make sure you subscribe so you get notified when I upload a new video. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.